Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to count the number of cells where a particular range of data is appearing. In this data set we have sales volume in column B and we need count of employees having sales data in the given range. To get the required data we will use CountIFS function. We have different range of sales volume in column D. So for the first range where we need the count of employees, where the sales volume is greater than 0 and less than or equals to 10,000, select cell E3, type equals to CountIFS, open bracket. In the first parameter, select the required range, select column B, press F4, comma. First criteria is that sales volume should be greater than 0. So in double quotes, type greater than 0, comma. The second condition is that sales volume should be less than or equals to 10,000. So the range would be sales. So select column B, press F4, comma. Now the criteria is less than or equals to 10,000. Closing bracket and press enter. Now it is showing that there are 3 employees where the sales volume is in between 0 to 10,000. Similarly, to get the number of employees where the sales volume is in the range of 10,000 to 20,000, copy the formula, paste in cell E4, change the first criteria to 10,000. So the sales volume should be greater than 10,000, but it should be less than or equals to 20,000. So in second criteria, change the value from 10,000 to 20,000. Press enter. There are 15 employees where sales volume is in the range of 10,000 to 20,000. Similarly, you can calculate the number of employees of different range. Just copy and paste the formula, and for each range change the criteria value. So for the third row, it should be in between 20 to 25,000. For fourth range, it should be 25,000 to 30,000. For the last one, there is only one condition, that the sales volume should be greater than 30,000. So we don't need two conditions. In this case, we will remove the second range and the criteria, and in the first criteria we'll change the value from 10,000 to 30,000. Now we have category of all the 29 employees for the different range. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.